Visiting for the first time, I would
Yeah, according to
definitely,
your experience, if you have
yes.
visited.
Um, so I would definitely say there's restaurants on the street here close to where I live.
Okay.
So it's the Garden Village. So there is a few restaurants like um well, actually the village, it's called the village, and then there's a Garden Village. There is Goodfellas, so it's just pizza. And then, so the Garden Village is the vegan place and the vegetarian place. And then there's the Goodfellas pizzas. And then there's Soul Food, which is just sushi. And then there
Oh,
is,
okay.
um, so there's a few different restaurants next to each other. And everyone has something different to offer. And if you walk down the streets, it's fairy lights and trees and um, leaves everywhere. It's just scenic. It's
It's
really
like,
beautiful to look at.
okay, so it's
Yeah.
like greenery. You can see
Yes.
greenery far and wide.
Yes. So this is in Windhoek
Okay.
specifically, and that's all I can suggest. Yeah.
So it's a specific village to visit human.
Sorry, can you ask that again?
Well, why not? I'm saying that it's a specific village to visit there, and it's known for its villas and greeneries or something
Yes.
else.
Um. So it's very green here, if I'm
Okay.
understanding correctly. Yes, it's a lot of trees. We have like a law here. You're not allowed to cut down trees. So it's trees and bushes everywhere. So it's nice looking. Yes, it's pretty.
Okay. Well,
And you?
Lorian, did I pronounce your name correctly?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Okay, Lorian. So, I want to ask that where did you, I mean, where were you born and where?
I am from South Africa. I was born in South Africa, in Port Elizabeth, and then I grew up in Pretoria. Don't
Okay,
know if you
so
know
where
where that
in South Africa, I mean, because it's a
is.
continent, right? So, where in
But
South Africa?
oh yes, so there's an African continent, and then there is a country called South Africa. So I am from South Africa, and then I grew up in Pretoria, so that is a province or a region in South Africa.
Ah,
So that's where,
Victoria, right.
yes, so
Yeah,
that's where I'm from. Yes. Where are
okay.
you from? I keep talking. I want to know about you. I want to hear you speak English. So you're
Well,
from India?
okay, why not? So, when we are talking, then I want to talk about you, and you would like to talk about me. It's obvious, right?
Yes.
So, I am from Bihar, actually, in India. Bihar is in the north, okay, not exactly in the north. It's kind of in the middle of north and east, okay. And
Okay.
extra fact, if I say, it is close to Nepal, right in the south of Nepal, because the
Okay.
border of my state, it shares its border with Nepal. Okay, so it's
Oh,
north. Yeah. So this is the location.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. And I was born and raised in Bihar, and
Okay.
right now I'm in the west. Okay, actually in the southwest of my country, in the state called Karnataka. And if you have heard of it, well, Karnataka is very close to Goa, just
Okay.
5 hours by train, I mean.
Better.
Okay,
Very
yeah.
good.
So did you hear about it before? About Karnataka or Kerala or Goa?
No, nothing. I'm not
Why?
very good with geography. Sorry.
Goa is very popular for its beaches.
Okay. Goa.
Goa, Goa.
Yes, I have it like that. Good. Okay. I'm not very good with geography, so I'm writing it down and then afterwards I go and Google and see how it looks there for interesting.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. But I have great interest in geography.
Oh wow, that's very cool. Yeah, I'm not very good at it, so sorry.
And that's why almost all the time when I talk with the tutor, okay, I just like to know the location of the tutor and and about the culture, about the food, and about the places to visit. Because yeah, you're a native to that country, and you can give me good details about those things, about
Yes,
those foods on on your own experience, which is crucial about anything, right?
definitely.
Yeah. So, and what
So
else would you like to talk, or would you like to know about?
yes, you said that you are very interested in geography and where
Yeah.
everybody is. Are you planning to travel to take a trip, to see these places, or